Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The question in here is from graduated high school examination in Vietnam. So I just translate in here. Suppose that f of x equal to a multiplied with x to the power of 3 plus bx to the power of 2 plus cx plus d with the graph on the right. Here is the graph. Find the minimum value p equals a to the power of 2 plus c to the power of 2 plus b plus 2. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. As you can see that on the question they don't provide any single number. On the graph they don't provide any number. This is the reason why the question is so hard for many high school students, because they don't provide any number for coefficients and they don't provide any number on the graph too. But I will show the technique how to answer this one. If you look carefully, we have one critical point in here. So we need to do first the derivative of the function. And we got about 3ax to the power of 2 plus 2bx plus c. So we put first the derivative of the function equals to number 0. So we will go about this equation equals to number 0. Because we have only one critical point on the graph, so this means we need to find the delta. That it should be about 2b everything to the power of 2 minus 4 multiplied with 3a multiplied with c, and we got about 4b squared minus 12ac. To get this equation has only one solution. Delta should be equal to number 0. So we have this one equals to number 0. We put 12ac on the right. We divide both sides with number 4. So as you can see that a is about the highest degree of coefficient of the function. The graphs just going up. It means a should be positive. To get this value to be invalid, because we know that b squared always got about positive result, so c should be about is greater than or equal to number 0. So it means everything number in here they should be about positive, so that b squared they can be the valid in here. Now because a and c are in the positive, we can go to the p in here. We know that we can apply am gm, so we have a square plus c square is greater than or equals to number 2 multiplied with the square root a square c square, and we got about 2ac. Now we can put about b is greater than or equals to 2ac. About b, we have b squared equal to 3ac. So this means we can go about b equals to positive and negative 3ac under the square root. But we know that we want to find the minimum value, so it means we just accept only negative of the square root of 3ac. So we change this one is about negative 3, the square root of 3ac, and we have the negative in here, and we put number 2. Now we let t equals to the square root ac. So in here we have 2t squared minus t multiplied with the square root number 3 plus 2. Now we need to find the minimum value of this equation. So we need to put about ft equals for this equation. Later that we do first the derivative of the function f of t. So we will got about 4t minus the square root numbers 3. We know that if we want to find the critical points, we need to put first the derivative equal to number 0. So we will go about t equals to square root number 3 over 4. Now we put back for this equation. That's about 13 over 8. After we find this value, this is about the minimum value of the function, and the answer for the question in here is about D. That's the end. Thank you for watching.